Hello, welcome to another Buxton Barrowman clean-up video. Sorry, that was in the bench. I have just watched, it's not a great start, I just watched two blokes just walk away from this. I'd assume it's their doing. I mean, it's been very neatly laid out, so I don't think it's been here overnight, otherwise it would have blown over. Great start, lovely, lovely people. I'm filming this on a very hot day. I think it's about to hit 25 degrees and it's 12 o'clock. Regrettable decision, but as you probably worked out, I do have a kind of schedule for these cleanup videos. Between 3 and 4 normal videos, I upload one of these. So it needs to be done. I'm stockpiling, ready for the 6 weeks holiday where I'm working every day. Is there anything in them? A little bit. No. 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 A little bit. I don't like the raspberry ones, clearly. Oh my god. That's a vivid blue. That's horrific. In you go. In you go. In you go. In you go. Right. Other than that, there really isn't a plan today other than just don't burn and overheat. I don't know what's going on here. Obviously, had a little bit of a bump and no one's bothered to clean it up, so. Welcome back to the usual spot on the marketplace that builds up. The Harris fencing is gone. I finished refurbishing this unit and so it's clogged up again. Not too bad though, actually. I think it's been dug out. So this is all the stuff that's been on the bottom for however long. Oh, including a wire that's attached to something. This unit looks good though. It's nice and modern in there. Where you can primarily just see the reflection of me. Although they still haven't gotten rid of the motto of that thread. It used to be here. That's good. It's modern. And someone's moving in next door. And they're painted. It actually looks really nice. Buxton Spinal Health. Did I mention it's hot? It's hot. It's very hot. Just while we're here as well, with the town hall in the background, I've placed it so it's blocked by that box. There has been a slight update. The BCA and a couple of other people have basically put forward a proposal of turning it into a charitable building where it houses the library, the museum and other community things. There really isn't too much to update on it because we don't really know if it's going to go forward fully or whatever. It's depending on where the council are. So I'll try and make a video on it. I did secretly ask permission to try and go inside the town hall before the High Peak Borough Council sell it off, but the talks of that have hit a brick wall, unfortunately, so I did want to record inside of it. We'll see if that still happens. I might contact the BCA as well and see their viewpoint and ask them and interview them, etc. And while we're on the direction of updates, the building here that is now owned by Solanke Holdings, which is the old museum, the Green Man Gallery, the court, and he also owns Buxton House at the bottom. That's the one with the businesses that are currently in it, down there. So he owns all this building. Unfortunately, one of their buildings has collapsed. Not here, not in Buxton, somewhere else. And the council are coming in to deal with that, which is worrying that basically that building was acquired, left in an abandoned state to the point that it fell down. And obviously, yeah, the standard thing that, oh, no, now it's torn down, we could put a brand new development in it and whatever. Yeah, we don't want this, clearly. We are a town very much against this. What history we do have, what heritage buildings we do have, we want to keep. And definitely we want to keep this one because of its history as an old hotel. It's quite important for the town, and on top of that, it was once a hospital in World War I for all the Canadian soldiers. So it has a lot of history, as well as being the town museum for a very long amount of time. So we do not want to see this in a dilapidated state. We don't want to see it falling down, especially because we know there's dry rot in the ceiling. It's a concern. So I'm not very happy about this news, and hopefully Solanke has a bit of a up his backside and tells us things are going ahead, instead of just announcing that there's going to be a communal work hub or whatever in here, because that doesn't do anything until we see something physical, planning permission, stuff like that. Well, I found a depressing reason why it was barriered off. Oh, it's just so sad, isn't it? Well, this video has become a video of updates because the Grove, I haven't spoken about it yet because I can't get the planning documents to load fully. So I want to have the layout and everything first, but that is currently, I believe, in the process of being turned into apartments. Again, I can't see the layout, so I can't tell if they are apartments or not, but they've had a new selection of sash windows. They all have to be different sizes on different floors. So they're all in now, and you can see there's some workers on the balcony bit, on the terrace. So all the sash windows have been redone. I saw a planning document for the guttering to be replaced with PVC alternatives, I believe, but they do look like heritage guttering. They might be metal, I can't remember. It was a while ago since I looked. But it does look like it's been done to a high standard, and they'll be turned into proper apartments, which will be nice to see. Back in Iceland. Right then, so I'm going to have a little sit down, have a hydration break, and then we shall continue. Basically, I've decided what we're doing is my normal route in reverse, so up Ashwood now, and then we may be done, because it is, yeah, it's hot, it's hot. Freshly cut grass means freshly cut rubbish, so there's thousands and thousands of plastic pieces that I have to go pick up because they didn't bother to do it before they cut the grass. I mean, I will give them some leeway. It probably is hard to pick up every single piece. Shall we? More cans. Not too many though. 1, 2, 3, Alright, oh, actually there is loads more, but they're on the other side of the fence. Not down. Not too bad. Not too bad. I think we're almost done with today because I am sweating buckets. Oh. I see what's happened there is some point I recorded the wrong thing and then stopped the recording when I meant to start. So it's empty now. Okay, I think given that it's a heat wave right now, I didn't do too bad. We've got 2 full wheelbarrows worth of rubbish, basically just doing my normal routine but in reverse. Not too bad, and of course we've gone through and given some updates across the town about the museum, the town hall, and also the Grove. Thank you very much for watching. A huge thank you to all my supporters on Ko-fi, and until next time, ta-ra. Shower time.